This is not just a lock, it's protection. Reimagined, every scan, every touch delivers a silent promise. You're secure. Face ID. Lightning-fast fingerprint, mobile app, OTP, RFID. Access the way you want it. Whether you're at work or away on vacation, your home is never alone. Introducing the Golens Protector, smart security, without compromise. Face unlock that just works for everyone. Whether it's elderly hands or gentle touches, Golens Protector sees you and lets you in instantly. You don't open the door anymore until you know exactly who's there. With the Golens Smart Door Viewer, you can see, speak, and decide. Life's too busy to worry about batteries. That's why we built in a smart, rechargeable power system. Always ready, always reliable. Locked out? Never again. With both automatic and manual access, you're always in control. Need your door to stay open for a while? Just enable passage mode, no more unlocking again and again. Hear it loud. The powerful Golens chime alerts you instantly, no matter where you are in your home. Golens Protector works with Alexa, SmartThings, Apple Home, and every Matter-compatible device. One ecosystem, total control. Your smart lock, your video doorbell, your CCTV, your door viewer, your security system, all in one. Style meets security. Choose the finish that fits your space. Sleek chrome or sophisticated gray. At the heart of Golens Protector is the Cortex M4 processor, delivering military-grade security with lightning-fast unlock. Track every unlock. Give access to your entire family. Use OTPs or guest passcodes for visitors, deliveries, or house help. Every move clearly visible. Backed by a full 2-year warranty because your security is our promise. No matter how your door opens, left side, right side, thick or thin, Golens Protector fits seamlessly. So what are you waiting for? Step into the future with Golens, smart, secure, proudly made for India.